Everyone, welcome to the Creep Beast channel. Today, we'll talk about the Peppercoin and what's been going on with it recently. The Peppercoin has been showing remarkable strength as indicated by its continuous rise in value. It has been forming higher highs and higher lows, which is exactly what we have been anticipating for over 2 weeks. A significant breakthrough occurred when the price surpassed the blue line, resulting in an upward movement. Moreover, it managed to stay above the EMA 43 on the chart, which has been a reliable indicator of the Peppercoin strength throughout its history. This exponential moving average acts as a sort of cheat sheet, providing insights into the future movements of the coin. When the price remains above the EMA 43, it demonstrates the coin's resilience and ongoing upward trajectory. In fact, just a few hours ago, the Peppercoin achieved a new higher high, surpassing its previous record. This, along with the consistent higher lows, signifies a potential continuation of the upward trend. As we consider the target price represented by the yellow line on the chart, we can see that it lies around 147,000 with numerous zeros preceding it. This target seems achievable, especially considering the progress the Peppercoin has made thus far. Reaching this milestone, we should anticipate a minor pullback following the recent higher high. Such pullbacks are healthy for the market and allow for further growth. Still, it's important for the price to stay above the EMA 43, which is a support level right now. The EMA 43 has been our support since breaking above it on August 8. Thus, for the past 4 days, it has proven to be a reliable support level. Interestingly, this was the same line that acted as a resistant level for over 2.5 weeks. Therefore, considering the longer duration of resistance compared to the current support, we have a high probability of the Peppercoin continuing its upward trajectory. However, it is important to note that breaking the upcoming resistance level will not be an easy feat. Referring to the chart spanning from June 22 to July 24, we observed that this level has served as a support for precisely 1 month and 1 day. It was only on July 24 that we managed to break the support and transition it into a resistance level. Currently, we have been below this level for 19 days, almost reaching the 2.5 week mark. If this pattern continues, we may expect to remain below for at least 3 weeks, with August 14 marking that milestone. Therefore, it is highly likely that breaking this strong resistance level will require multiple attempts, potentially not succeeding on the first try. However, we remain optimistic about the Peppercoin's bullish trend and confidently predict new higher highs and higher lows in the near future. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to our channel for more updates. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Goodbye. And let's move on. Not only in the last week, but also in the last day, our focus on Ethereum has grown a lot. This shows how well things are going. How the market and investors feel about Ethereum. Ethereum is a decentralized blockchain platform that makes it possible to make smart contracts and other apps that don't need a central server. Its original currency, ETH, is used to run smart contracts and power the Ethereum network and dApps. As a pioneer in blockchain technology, Ethereum has a big place in the crypto community. The Ethereum network has changed the way we think about and use digital contracts, decentralized applications, and even fundraising through initial coin offers, ICOs. Ethereum's impact has led to innovation and inspired a lot of other projects to build on its foundation. This has helped the crypto space grow and develop as a whole. Ethereum's blockchain technology is the basis for many of the applications and projects in its ecosystem. Developers can build decentralized applications on Ethereum by using its smart contract functionality to make systems that are transparent, tamper-proof, and run on their own. This environment encourages new ideas in areas like decentralized finance, non-fungible tokens, supply chain management, identity verification, and many others. One of the most important uses of Ethereum is in decentralized finance. Money and finances. DeFi platforms use Ethereum smart contracts to offer financial services like loans, borrowing, yield farming, decentralized exchanges, and the creation of synthetic assets. As people look for decentralized alternatives to standard financial systems, the growth of DeFi has made Ethereum more important and used. Because of what Ethereum can do, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, which are unique digital assets that show ownership or authenticity of digital and physical things, have become more popular. NFTs have become very famous in areas like digital art and video games. Collectibles and the rights to intellectual property. Ethereum is the main blockchain for NFT development and transactions because it is compatible and reliable. As Ethereum continues to change, its future looks very promising. The upcoming Ethereum 2.0 upgrade, also known as Ethereum's transition to a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, is expected to improve scalability, security, and energy efficiency. This upgrade has gotten a lot of attention in the crypto community because it could open up even more opportunities for Ethereum's growth and adoption. Its current value of $1,920 and intriguing nature make it a very interesting coin in the cryptocurrency world. Its importance in the crypto community cannot be overstated, as Ethereum is a key driver of innovation and decentralization thanks to its strong ecosystem. Finance, DeFi, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs, are changing the future of finance and digital ownership. As Ethereum keeps moving forward, its potential for growth and effect remains exciting for investors, developers, and the wider crypto community. A technical, politics and it's only. Saylor agreed that, from a political point of view, some government structures might make it necessary to rely on third-party guardians. On the technical side, he understood that Layer 3 third parties like Bank of America and Apple help make mobile crypto transfers work. Saylor also said that it might be safer for some people, like the elderly or those who want to make sure their assets are safe for future generations, to give their possessions to someone else. Saylor thinks that Bitcoin will have different ways of integrating, and that the market will figure out the best mix of institutional and self-sovereign ways. He said that people shouldn't be afraid of the many ways to integrate, because the changing Bitcoin market will naturally determine the best mix of ways to integrate. Price of Bitcoin. As of right now, the price of Bitcoin is $29,366. In the last 24 hours, Bitcoin price prediction as BTC jumps 2% in 24 hours, time to buy? The recent 2% rise in the price of Bitcoin in just 24 hours has made people wonder what it might mean for buyers. As the market continues to change, the question arises, does this rise mean that now is a good time to think about buying Bitcoin? We should find out. Michael Saylor's thoughts on the future of Bitcoin integration. In a recent radio interview, Michael Saylor, CEO of MicroStrategy, talked about how he sees the growing trend of big companies adopting Bitcoin and making it the center of their business. Saylor stressed that third parties and businesses will always be a part of the Bitcoin ecosystem. He said that as Bitcoin becomes more common in society, different ways